When I'm hearing the word road games, I take it literally because that's what it is. It's a game outside on the road. Yeah, I'm thinking about the app. It's a mobile game that you can just do at any time possible. So there's also this dimension of freedom to it. And I'm also thinking about those tasks. This is also something that I really enjoy about road games, is that within one team there are different roles. So if you have a team of 4 to 5 people, each one of you can learn new skills, or you can just shine through this task and make your team win. So yeah, that's something that I really like, the variety of the task that you're doing, and that's also it's a movement. You are seeing different new things in the city, and that's that.